RSI is one of the most popular technical indicators used by many traders and investors. If you don't know yet, RSI stands for Relative Strength Index. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you one of the powerful tools that you can use to test your RSI strategy, whether or not it will work on the particular stocks that you want to invest in. So let's get started. As you can see, this is how the RSI is being calculated. RSI measures the magnitude of the recent price changes. In layman terms, it means how fast and how much the price movement changes in the stock market. So how it's calculated is by taking the ratio of the average gains to the average losses. So investors typically take the period of 14 days to calculate the RSI. There will be three situations that can occur when you are using the RSI indicator. Number one is the oversold condition. When the RSI reading is below 30, it suggests that the stock is actually being oversold. So it signals a potential buying opportunity. And conversely, on the overbought situation is when the RSI reading is above 70, which suggests that the stock is being overbought. So it signals for a selling opportunity. And the third situation, the crossover of RSI lines above or below the 30 and 70 levels can provide additional confirmation of the buy or sell signals. So now that you have understand how RSI is being calculated, let's move on to the next portion. This is one of the most powerful trading tools that you can use to really test any of the indicator strategies that you have. And I believe if you are new to investing, or even if you're a seasoned trader, you would be using this platform called the TradingView. So in TradingView, there is this function called the Pine Editor, which allows you to do any strategy testing based on the Pine script. So you might be wondering how to do all this coding itself, all this script. Don't worry, we are living in the world of AI. So I'm gonna be using the powerful AI tools called ChatGPT to help you with the Pine script editing. So this is my ChatGPT and I've prompted it to create a Pine script for me on the RSI strategy. So as you can see, this whole chunk of codes that I'm not very sure of, I'm just gonna copy over and paste it over at the Pine editor portion. Click on update chart and you'll be able to see the buy and sell signal based on the past data. So once you've gotten this Pine script loaded up to your chart, next you will want to test whether or not this strategy is working. So click on the strategy tester here and you can see that under the overview tab actually shows you the net profit, total close trades, percent profitable, profit factor, maximum drawdown, and average trade. So all of this may seem a little bit new to you. So how can you interpret the result of this testing? It's very straightforward. Go back to ChatGPT again. So take a screenshot of this. I'm gonna head back to ChatGPT, paste it inside and ask it to help me analyze this. And as you can see, it will take a few seconds for ChatGPT to load up the test result for you. And there you go. ChatGPT has already analyzed the result for you and explained to you what does each of it mean. So for the net profit, it shows that it's standing at the value of $8,075 USD at an 80.76%. So this is a total profit generated by the strategy, representing an 80.76% return on the starting capital. So the starting capital that I'm using in this test is actually 10,000 US dollars. So this also indicates a very high return on investment over the backtesting periods. Okay, so the second one on the total close trades, it has total number of 14 close trades. This indicates the number of trades, both buy and sell, that were open and subsequently closed during the backtesting periods. So this is a relatively small number of trades and suggests for more selective strategy. On the percent profitable, it's standing at 71.43%. This is the percentage of the trades that were profitable out of the total trades. So 71.43% means that approximately 7 out of 10 trades result in a profit, which is a very strong win rate. And let's look at the profit factor. It's standing at 2.99. This is the ratio of the gross profit to the gross loss. So a total profit factor of 2.99 indicates of every dollar lost, the strategy actually made about $2.99. This is a sign of a very, very profitable strategy. And let's look at the maximum drawdown. So the maximum drawdown is at a value of 22.09%. So this essentially represents the potential amount of capital that you'll be losing if, let's say, this trade is not a winning trade. So a drawdown of 22.09% indicates a moderate level of risk, suggesting that there will be some significant period of loss. So you better do your due diligence when you are choosing which stock to buy. And of course, the average trades, average number of bars in trades. So this is essentially how you can backtest based on the past data on TradingView. And the most amazing thing of all is that this particular function is free for all to use. You don't even need to be on the paid plans of TradingView to use this backtesting strategy tester. So go ahead and try out your own Pine script editor and then let us know how you actually feel when you find out your winning strategy. So this is how you can make use of the Pine editor and also the strategy tester to see whether or not the Pine script you have created or the ChatGPT has created would be a winning strategy for you. If you would like to see more of such videos, do give us a like and subscribe to our channel.